A very good morning. Welcome to Civil Sapiens, connecting wisely with learners. आज के इस सेशन में we'll discuss in brief about how India reasserts by means of weather diplomacy that the entire Jammu and Kashmir, including Gilgit and Baltistan, belongs to the country. जो key points हैं आज के discussion के, it includes the first point is weather forecast in Gilgit-Baltistan region by Indian Meteorological Department (IMD). The second point would be India's Ministry of External Affairs asking Pakistan to vacate POK region. The third point of discussion is Pakistan's reaction to this Indian move, and the last point of discussion will be, is this weather war a good diplomatic move by India? Let's begin. First of all, it's important to know about Indian Meteorological Department, its responsibility and functionality. IMD government agency है under Ministry of Earth Sciences of the Government of India and its headquarter is located in New Delhi. जो principal responsibility है IMD की, ये है meteorological observations, weather forecasting and seismology. अब seismology क्या है? Seismology is the study of earthquakes and seismic waves that moves through and around the earth. Now coming to the point, recently Indian Meteorological Department IMD ने अपने ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट पे गिलगिट बल्तिस्तान रीजन के वेदर फोरकास्ट को इंक्लूड करने की शुरुआत की है. It has announced weather forecast for Gilgit-Baltistan in the northwest subdivision. It has forecasted weather conditions for towns such as Muzaffarabad, Skardu, Neelam regions located in Gilgit-Baltistan. The first such weather forecast was uploaded on May 6th. After Meteorological Department started referring to its meteorological subdivision of Jammu and Kashmir as Jammu and Kashmir, Ladakh, Gilgit-Baltistan and Muzaffarabad, Doordarshan News and All India Radio have also started telecasting the weather report of these areas. This has been done to counter Pakistan's effort after its Supreme Court ordered to amend the Gilgit-Baltistan order of 2018 and establish a caretaker government there. The Indian government has registered a strong protest against Pakistan's Supreme Court order on Gilgit-Baltistan area. Ministry of External Affairs for India ने पाकिस्तान को क्लियरली बताया है कि that the entire union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh, including the areas of Gilgit and Baltistan, are an integral part of India. In a loud and clear message to Pakistan, India has made it clear that regions of POK, Muzaffarabad and Gilgit-Baltistan are under its illegal occupation. In an official statement, ME has stated that government of Pakistan or its judiciary has no locus standing on territories illegally and forcibly occupied by it. India completely rejects such actions and continued attempts to bring material changes in Pakistan occupied areas of the Indian territory of Jammu and Kashmir. On the other hand, Pakistan has rejected India's move to begin broadcasting weather reports on Mirpur, Muzaffarabad and Gilgit in Pakistan-occupied Kashmir (POK), terming it as a legally void action to change the status of the region. पाकिस्तान क्लेम करता है टू द टेरिटरीज ऑफ POK एंड गिलगिट बल्तिस्तान, बट लीगली उसके कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन ने अभी तक उसे रिकॉग्नाइज नहीं किया था एज अ पार्ट ऑफ द कंट्री. गिलगिट बल्तिस्तान रीजन की अपनी हिस्ट्री है. इट इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ द ग्रेटर कश्मीर रीजन. ड्यूरिंग द टाइम ऑफ पार्टीशन इट वॉज एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर. इट बॉर्डर्स पाकिस्तान ऑक्यूपाइड कश्मीर टू द साउथ. टू द वेस्ट इट हैज़ द प्रोविंस ऑफ खैबर पख्तूनख्वा. To the north of it lies the Wakhan corridor of Afghanistan. The Xinjiang region of China lies to the east and northeast. To the southeast lies the Union territories of Jammu and Kashmir and Ladakh. Ever since our Indian Prime Minister Mr. Narendra Modi referred to the people of Balochistan and Gilgit-Baltistan from Red Fort and showed empathy to their struggles in the region, the weather diplomacy is a great calculated diplomatic move by India.